Hello everyone, it's Renee here from the Diabetic Toolbox, where we are on a mission to end type 2 diabetes one family at a time through education, support, and empowerment. Welcome to the Diabetes Minute, our moment to pause, learn something new, and take one small step towards better health and balance. Today, we're talking about why your stress spikes your blood sugar even if you ate healthy. Have you ever eaten healthy all day and still had high blood sugar numbers? Well, you're not imagining it. When stress levels rise, your body releases hormones like cortisol and adrenaline. Those hormones tell your body to release more glucose into the bloodstream, even if your meals were balanced. That means emotional stress, overwhelm, anxiety, lack of sleep, and even frustration can impact your blood sugar numbers. One small shift that you can make today is this. Before each meal, pause and take 3 slow, deep breaths. This helps calm your nervous system and may support healthier blood sugar responses. Remember, diabetes management is not only about food. Your emotions, stress levels, sleep, and mindset matters too. And if you're ready to stop the emotional eating cycle and stabilize your blood sugar, join my 4-week emotional eating and blood sugar reset. Click the link below this video for more information and to grab your spot. I'll talk to you soon. Have a great day.